The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. A hazardous materials warning has been issued for the immediate 1-mile radius around Clingman's Dome due to sulfur gas escaping from the ground near the volcano. This further indicates that Clingman's Dome is becoming active volcanically. Flash flood emergency for areas downstream of Fontana Lake. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for an inland tsunami in Fontana Lake. This is due to a landslide-borne tsunami on the Forney Creek causing Fontana Lake to overfill. This is a flash flood emergency. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Emergency Management. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas downstream and along Fontana Lake and nearby rivers, including the following: Tuckasegee River, Finger Lake, and most other branches and creeks downstream up to 10 miles. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bryson City, Almond, Wesser, Oak Grove, Swain County Park, Nantahala Gorge, Miller Cove, Poplar Cove, The Narrows, Dean Island and Raby Bend. If you are near the Fontana Lake, Tuckasegee River or any other creeks nearby, move to higher ground now. Repeating, life-threatening flash flooding is imminent. Move to higher ground now. This is a special weather statement. Strong thunderstorms will impact south-central Swain County due to a pyrocumulonimbus cloud created by the eruption of Clingman's Dome. Wind gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Bryson City. These storms may intensify, so stay tuned for later statements and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued an ashfall advisory for northern Swain County, southern Sevier County, Tennessee, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:37 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an ash cloud originating from the Clingman's Dome volcano was detected on Doppler radar. Ashfall is already occurring. Hazard: ashfall and accumulating ash. Source: radar indicated. Impact: ash may collapse rooftops. Visibility will be greatly reduced due to ash blocking the sun. Inhaling ash is extremely hazardous to health. To prevent inhaling ash, wear a face covering such as a COVID-19 mask, scarf, or bandana, or cover your mouth and nose with your shirt or jacket. Repeating, an ashfall advisory has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Swain and Sevier, Tennessee.